Everyone knows that everyone reads reviews, right? But a lot of stores act like they don't matter. Studies across auto and retail show that 90% of consumers read online reviews, and a majority say reviews influence where they buy and who they trust. We'll spend big money on SEM and social ads, and then our review game is on autopilot. Your future customer is comparing two things side by side: price and perceived experience. If you're cheaper on paper but look worse in reviews, you might still lose the deal before they ever call. In 2005, your review page is part of your showroom, and ignoring it is like leaving trash in the lobby and wondering why traffic feels off.